Hi, this is James Maroney from First Choice College Placement. Today we're going over the 2012-2013 practice test, Section 6, number 13. Now, Section 6 goes 1 to 8, easy to hard, and then the grid-ins start over at number 9, easy to hard. So we're at just about a medium level difficulty question. And what do we know about the grid-ins? We know that they don't count against you if you get them wrong, so you should always answer one of the grid-ins. And if you're not sure, put in 0, 1, or 1/4. Again, you just want to have a chance to get it right, since it won't take anything off if you get it wrong. This is a linear, it's a multivariable question. Two variables, two equations, or in this case, three variables, two equations. We always solve them by stacking them on the SAT. A lot of times there's a trick. Now let's look through and read the question. The system of equations above, what is the value of x plus y? Well, what I do when I see this, I know when I stack them more than half the time, there's going to be a trick or a shortcut. And so what we want to do is we want to find a way to get rid of the z. Because other than that, we just have x plus y. What are we solving for? X plus y. We need to find a way to isolate the x plus y. So what I'm going to do is multiply this whole equation by 3 so that I can get the z's to cancel. So when we do this whole thing times 3, we have 3x plus 3y plus 3z equals 3 times 400, or 1200. We know that x plus y plus 3z equals 600. So now what are we going to do? We are going to subtract down. 3x minus x is 2x. 3y minus y is 2y. The z's cancel. 1200 minus 600 is 600. So 2x plus 2y equals 600. 2x plus 2y equals 600. But the question isn't what does 2x plus 2y equal. It's what does x plus y equal. So now we divide both sides by 2. So x plus y equals 300. What is the value of x plus y? 300. Now we could also, and this is the same as with many SAT problems, there's more than one way to solve it. And so it's not always a right way or a wrong way, but a lot of times there's a quicker way. And your goal is to find the quickest way possible, or a way that makes sense for you. Now we can look at this and say that x plus y plus 3z equals 600, and x plus y plus z equals 400. Well, if we subtract down, the x's and y's cancel. 3z minus z is 2z equals 200. So we divide by 2. Both sides. Do unto one side as you do unto the other. The golden rule of algebra. And we get that z equals 100. Now we can take that and plug that back in. So x plus y plus 100 equals 400. We subtract 100 from both sides and we get the same answer, that x plus y equals 300. And again, what's our answer? What does x plus y equal? 300. Tune in next week when we'll work over some more SAT type